festive lingerie set, guys. This is from Victoria's Secret. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see why it is so festive. So it basically has gold and silver embroidery all over the bra and the panties, of course. And it's just very, very pretty. There's a lot of really, really pretty detail. And this is what the straps look like. They have little bows here. I think this bra is adorable. And the straps are adjustable. And also this bra is unlined and it has underwire. And it provides really, really good support. So it's really good quality. I just love this set. It is so cute. It's completely see-through, so I have to wear something underneath. You guys always ask me why I do that. It's because I have to. And then here it is from